What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Haulin Bass TV. We're here again with Po Boy Outdoors. As you guys know, that I announced that we are fishing the big boy tournaments now with a motor and everything else, competing against those big bass boats. So today we're gonna be outfitting old Po Boy's John boat and making her 1,000 times better. Get a live well in there, gonna redo the transom, gonna fix the deck a little bit, and we're gonna put some boxes on the side of here just to get her going. Let's throw that killer intro and get right into building this boat. All right, y'all, it's a little chilly out here, so I got the hood up today. But this place is a mess. We got a mess in the boat. We got a mess in the garage. So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up real quick. We got everything cleaned up here in the garage, and now we gotta go to the list. We got a whole list of everything that we're gonna be doing. Josh is actually working on cleaning up the transom right now. He's getting everything pulled out of there and getting that back aluminum plate cleaned up so that we can get that transom in there and there's not gonna be any more rotting, nothing like that. I'm actually gonna work on tracing out the transom board so that we can get that cut out and some fiberglass resin put on there. I'll link the original video to my transom repair on that boat or up here, so that you guys, if you're looking for a transom repair video, you can go right up there and check that video out. I'm gonna show y'all this old transom. Whew, she's a little tore up. So we got some new plywood, and this is the other part of the transom right here. I'm gonna use that for a template. We got our boards right here that we're gonna put in there. And we also had a brace that we had to take out right here. We had to beat that thing out. And Josh really didn't want to take it out, but we went up underneath and we looked. And there's some pretty good cracks in both of those right there. So we ended up having to take it out anyway so that we could fill those cracks and get those mended up so that there's no water leaking in the boat. There we go. We just gotta connect these lines right here, which all we gotta do is take a straight edge on those and then right there and cut her out.
Got her all formed out, and she's a perfect fit.
She's perfect fit. She's a little warped. We're just running a 1/2 inch in here, boys, and sand it. Transom was a little warped, but a couple bolts, a little bit of aluminum, she'll come right on out. Well, shit, yeah, bud, that looks mint. What do you think, Josh?
Looks pretty good, bud.
Couple screws, some construction adhesive, and a sheet of aluminum.
Letter 8.
All right, y'all, now that we got this thing clamped and adhesived together, I'm gonna start working on framing these boxes out that are gonna be running from here along both sides, from there to there and there to there. And old Josh is gonna start stripping this stuff off of here so we can get some carpet on that thing. So I'm not sounding like a bull in a china shop running around back here and busting my butt. So what we're gonna be doing here is we're making a rough frame. We're gonna slide this piece in here because this is just wood and there's a little bit of a gap in here. Small piece right here to secure it down. And we're gonna be running our cross members after we do it to the same thing to the other side. Send it.
Cooking with Crisco grease now, baby.
Found her.
Yep.
Done with this thing.
Going to the big boy.
Yep.
Done messing around with the Dremel. Bringing out the big guns. Perfect.
Day number 2. We got all of this ripped out. We got the side braces for the box put in there with Po' Boy Outdoors. So the first thing that we're gonna do today is get this transom fiberglass right there. After we get that done, because it's gonna take quite a while to set up, we're gonna start working on this box and getting the rest of the pieces cut out for that transom. Let's get it. We got coat 1. We're gonna flip her over, do coat 2 on that thing, and we're gonna get back to working on this boat. Good idea, Bill. That should be enough. Tilt it back. Tilt it back a little bit on the rocker. How bad is it?
It's not that bad, bro.
It's not that good.
It's not that good. It's not that bad.
God.
I'm sorry. Put some still stick on it, bro. There she is.
All right, y'all. So as you saw in that last scene, Josh was cutting out that last little piece of aluminum for the transom. For some reason, camera malfunction. We didn't get us putting the transom in the actual boat, but we still have a lot to do on this thing, and that's gonna be in the next video, and it's gonna be all inclusive. We still have the back deck to build. We still have the rest of the boxes to build. It's gonna turn out really freaking sweet. And we have a couple different things that are really gonna get people excited. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video coming out on Josh's boat build. And if you guys want a sneak peek and everything going on, head on over to Haulin Bass TV on Instagram. It'll be linked down below. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. It takes 5 seconds. Hit that bell right next to it so you know when my videos come out. Go catch your PB for me.